Okay, so it's been a couple of days since we've made our last Soundhound AI update video, and well, here we are. It's time for another one. We're gonna break down the charts, key levels I'm looking at on the charts, and we'll break down what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, as we're almost at 50,000 subscribers, guys, and get your stocks from Moomoo. You might as well, if you like free money, open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get into it. So, man, Soundhound AI has been quite the roller coaster ride over the last couple of weeks, days, and today. Today it's been a roller coaster ride as well. We opened up at around, where was it? $13.50, 60 cents, right in that ballpark, and we went up to $14.40. So initially we popped out of the gate up around 6%, looking pretty good. But since that point, well, we've dropped. We've been selling. Now we're down to $12.60. We're down about 12, 13-ish% from the intraday high. We're getting squashed, guys. We're getting squashed, and we're breaking a key level that I want to share with you guys here in a second. So, not looking good. Not looking good on the intraday. We're under both moving averages. We have a death cross, and the downtrend on the 5-day is clearly continuing. We're at a fresh low right now, taking out the lows from yesterday, which yesterday, guys, wasn't a great day either for Soundhound AI. We hit about, 1275 on the low, and now we're at 1269. We hit 1255 a couple of minutes ago. So we're taking out the lows, continuing the downtrend on the 5-day, 5-minute. Same here on the 30-minute chart, guys. We're now down about 50% from where we were just about 2 weeks ago. Pretty crazy, I know. And on the 1-hour chart, we have a death cross as well here. You guys see it. And we're actually down pretty much exactly 50% from the high on this time frame, which the all-time high is $25 on this stock. And now we're at about $12.50. So pretty much 50% down. We've cut in half. So now with today's 1.5% red day that we're currently experiencing, we're actually breaking through a big support, right? If I draw this out right here, and we've covered this before on the channel, guys, but let me do a quick refresh for maybe those that haven't been watching. Maybe you missed the video, but we talked about this range on Soundhound AI between $16 and about $13. That's where the stock was trading all throughout the beginning of December, pretty much between the 5th all the way to the 13th. So for a week, Soundhound was trading between $13 to $16. Then we broke out of that, obviously. Then we rallied all the way to 25. So a couple of days ago, as we were selling down, I was looking at $16 to see if it would hold as support. And, well, it didn't, right? It didn't. Then we filled the gap down to $13, which, again, is another level that I'm looking at, that I was looking at, and now we're falling through that. Not a great sign. Now we're falling through 13. We're in the mid-12s, clearly starting to slip under that support, which, to be honest, guys, could lead to more downside here on Soundhound. The reality is, by the looks of it here on this time frame, we might be going down to single digits again. I know that's probably not what you want to hear, but it's the reality here, guys, based on what the charts are pointing to, right? We're under both moving averages here. We broke through 16, 13 as well, two massive support levels, and we broke under, this 180 SMA a couple of days ago on the 4-hour time frame. This is not the best sign. And, what could happen potentially is maybe we get a relief rally and we play again within this $13 to $16 window. Maybe we get back to 16, 15. That could happen. But if that does happen, guys, what could that end up being? That could end up being a head and shoulders. Do you guys not see how this could be a head and shoulders as well, kind of, right? You guys got the left shoulder there, the head's right here. And if we do play within this $13, $16 window and chop around in there for a little bit, that could be the formation of the right shoulder before we end up starting to fall again. Potentially. That could be what's forming right now. But what I do know is, with pretty much certainty right now, the bulls are losing steam in the very short term. It doesn't mean they're done forever or the bulls are toast. It just means that we might have more red in the short term before we have more green. And clearly, we're falling through 13. Next gap could be down to $9.50, $9.75, $10, and we'll see where it goes potentially from that point. So I'm keeping it real, guys. I'm keeping it real. Charts are not looking the best right now on Soundhound AI. And I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm not buying here. I'm not selling. I'm not even in it, so I can't sell. I'm not holding, obviously. I'm not in it. But I'm just sitting on my hands. If it gets down to like $10, that might be a spot where we get a relief rally. We'll see. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, guys. We'll do another update or two this week to kind of monitor it and see where it's going. And it's down 1.6% in the midst of a decently red day for the stock market. S&P and QQQ, NASDAQ 100 and the S&P, they're in the red right now. Dow's a little in the green. Russell is having a nice day, 0.6% in the green. But, it's not the craziest day in the stock market. So keep that in mind, although we do have a lot of green on some other stocks here. Chinese names are moving today. We have stocks like Tencent, Alibaba, JD. All of those are up. Looks like stocks like CrowdStrike are moving 2%. Pretty good day for CrowdStrike. Roblox popping up again around 2%. And other stocks on the list here that are red, we have some red in DJT as Donald Trump is about to get in office here pretty soon. We are seeing a bit of a sell-off on DJT down to about 38, where were we? 38.50 we held earlier today. So honestly, this could be an interesting rebound play on DJT. We broke out of 38. That was resistance for a couple weeks. We got to about 43. Now we've come back. We tested 38 again. Now we're bouncing off of it. So maybe DJT could be a nice continuation play. Of course, not guaranteed. Do your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, and we'll wrap it up here. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the email list. That is linked right down below. It is literally free to join that. Make sure to subscribe to my second channel as well, Stas Talks Money, where we go over personal finance reaction type content, completely different from what you guys are getting here. You guys can see all the different videos I've made. Americans can't stop spending money. Car payments are getting insane. People are full of bad financial decisions. So make sure to go subscribe to that link down below. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs and get your stocks for a moo-moo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, that is down below, or go to stasurfs.com/moo-moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.